Hi everybody, Greg here from Two Old Guys with Crossbows. Well, I was out doing some shopping today and we were at Canadian Tire and I seen what I thought was a pretty good deal. I just couldn't pass up. I don't have a 270 yet, but now I do. For $399, I picked this gun up. That's Canadian. Canadian Tire has a sale on all their firearms. I've heard word through the grapevine that they're actually getting out of firearm sales and ammunition. So if you want some good deals, check them out. I did, and I found this. This is the Mossberg, one of the 404 series. But let's get that box open and see what's in there. As I opened the box and took the plastic off, you see of course, the Mossberg 404 series, the bolt, has a muzzle brake, and of course the owner's manual and a breech lock for transportation, especially if you like to go to the States or anything and hunt. But that's what's in the box. This here, if you're not into the muzzle brake, it's just a screw-on cap. The muzzle brake unscrews, and this cap can screw on there, which makes it a far louder gun. Let's get it on the rack and have a good look at this. Mossberg 404 series. This is 270 caliber, this one. Mossberg etched right into the bolt. Nickel plated barrel, fluted, and this is with the muzzle brake on the end. Smart looking gun. We get down here, it does have the AccuTrigger trigger system. This trigger is adjustable from 2 to 5 pounds apparently. Got your little pull back there, and then let you know when it's ready to fire. The open stock makes it look sleek. It has a built-in cheek rest on the stock here, and of course a pad. As you can see, my finger presses in. Quite soft for shock absorption. A little easier on the shoulder. But I'm going to mount this 3 to 9 power scope on it. This is one of the ones that came on the Remington 783s that I changed out. 3 to 9 power. I changed this out for a Vortex on my one Remington 783. But let's get it mounted and see what it looks like on the gun. Again, like I said, $399 Canadian I picked this gun up for. Very nice looking gun. One of the things I'm not overly impressed with this series of gun, it comes with a plastic clip. Just plastic, no metal. Hopefully it'll hold up in the cold. We have some really cold weather in Saskatchewan. That's the clip. Comes with it. There's the gun with the scope mounted. muzzle brake on the end. Very nice looking gun. Looking forward to shooting this. Won't be doing that today. This is just an unboxing to show you what it comes with, and keep your eyes peeled if you go to Canadian Tire. Let's have a look at the other side of this gun. It's all in focus. Mossberg, caliber 270. North Haven, Connecticut, USA. As I said, the fluted nickel barrel, very nice looking. Muzzle brake on the end. Never had a gun with a muzzle brake. Serial numbers etched straight in there. 3 to 9 power scope on there. There's that cheek rest I was telling you about. Quite comfortable. I believe the gun weighs 7 to 9 pounds, something like that. This trigger is adjustable from 2 to 5 pounds, as I was saying, but you do have to take it off the stock to make your adjustments, as far as I know. We'll find out. There it is. Mossberg 404 series. Nickel plated barrel. Mossberg's series of inexpensive guns. Seems like everybody's competing with Savage these days. The only thing that I see that the Remingtons are doing, let me just adjust this. Remington and Mossberg are adding these AccuTriggers, which are very nice. They're adjustable trigger pull, easy to do. Crossfire, I think Remington calls them. I'm not sure what Mossberg calls their trigger system. Very nice looking gun. There you go. A quick look at the Mossberg 404 series. This is the basic model with the black synthetic stock. You can get them in mossy oak for, I believe, oak. It's not real oak though. It looks like oak. Again, these synthetic stocks on these guns. But the prices vary on what you buy. But this is the one of the cheapest end models. Regular price it was $539. As I said, I picked this up at Canadian Tire for $3.99 on sale. Like I said, if you're Canadian, you're looking for some deals on firearms, check out Canadian Tire. They have a lot of sales on. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.